Hey, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to go ahead and learn how to get today's look, go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so let's get started with today's look. I'm going to go ahead and put all the products that I use in today's video in the description down below. For the sake of today's tutorial, I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. I will have an eyebrow tutorial very soon. Let's go ahead and jump in on the eyes. For today's base, I'm going to use the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Base Primer. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M421 brush, a nice concealer brush, to spread everything out. Okay, so now that we have all of the concealer spread out through my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a sponge and blend it all out. Let it set in all together. Today we will be using the Morphe 350 Nature Glow. And I'm going to go ahead and go in using this color here as a nice little base. I will be going in with my Morphe M433 brush. Okay, so I went ahead and finished blending out the brown that I just added. I feel like it'll be perfect. I'm going for more of a natural glow kind of day. I'm also wearing khaki pants, so I feel like it'll blend with everything very well. Next, we'll be going in with the darker brown right over here with the same brush. And we're gonna go ahead and add it right like on the lid, but right in the crease to go ahead and let it blend in with the other brown. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my color switcher. So I'm just going to go ahead and pass my brush in there to get any excess. Using the same palette but a different brush, we're going to go ahead and go in with this color right here in the middle. I'm using the Luxie 121 Mini Tapered brush for the outer edges. I'm just going to go ahead and lightly pat it in and create this V shape because I want it to fade into the other part of my eye. Okay, so this is what everything looks like all blended out. Nice and seamless. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the Moda Pro BMX 402 smudger. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this lighter orange over here. It's kind of like a peachy tone. And we're gonna go ahead and pat that in all over the lid. Using that same big fluffy brush from earlier, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the top where we just smudged. And then using the same brush that we used on the outer edges, I'm going to go ahead and lightly tap the color, shake off the excess, and go ahead and put it back in on the outer edges. So everything is a little bit more seamless. This is what our eye look looks like now that it is completed. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and use the edge of my makeup wipe and wipe off the excess. So now that we have finished the eyes, we're going to go ahead and work on our face. And for a base and primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Priming Moisturizer by Glossier. It's one of my favorites because it's very buildable. You can do a little or a lot. And it's nice and tacky. I'm going to go ahead and use the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the color G5. Since this is more of a natural, glowy kind of look, I also do this look more often when I just go to work and want a lighter wear. And now my favorite part about this foundation is that you can just go ahead and work it into your skin with your fingers, no brushes needed. Bring it into your ears, down your neck. Once you've applied it to your face, just go ahead and go in with a sponge to clean up any streaks and really set the foundation into your skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Glossier Stretch Concealer in the color G5. Still using my fingers, I'm going to go ahead and apply it under my eye. And next, using my M421 Morphe brush that we used earlier in the video, we're going to go ahead and go under the eye for a little bit more precision and clean up or just follow the line under the eyeshadow, carve out my brow. And now to get rid of any streaks, I'm going to go ahead and use my sponge. Next, we will be going in with the Glossier Cloud Paint in the color Beam. And once again, to blend out any streaks, just go ahead and use your sponge. This is literally one of my favorite blushes just because it matches like my natural rosy pink undertone that I already have. Next, I will be going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. And that's the back. Seen some better days. And for my bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use the Luxie Lush 504 Large Angled Brush. Making like a fish face, I'm going to go ahead and add bronzer here and here and then around my face. And then we're also going to go ahead and try to make like a 3 right around here. This is literally one of my favorite brushes for contouring and for adding that bronzer in to really get that huge glow. It adds the product on very well. Fun fact, I got this brush a few years ago when I went to an Event XO like beauty class. Super fun, been one of my favorite brushes since. Never gonna let it go. And next we're gonna go ahead and blend everything out so it's a little bit more seamless using our sponge. Next, I'm going to use the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder by Ciot London. Make sure that you have some at the top and dip your brush in and then go ahead and shake off the excess and then just go ahead and swipe where you want to add the powder. So we're gonna go ahead and let that bake for a second, and while that bakes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Coronavirus is kind of limiting my options as far as where I go shopping right now, so I got these eyelashes from Target, very budget friendly, Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. I got these because they were the fluffiest ones from Target. Throwback, going back to my drugstore days. And for lash glue, I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarteist Pro in clear white. And now we're just going to go ahead and brush all of that off. Now using the same palette from earlier, we're going to go ahead and go in with this shimmer shade on the inner corners of my eyes. And for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to go in with the Luxie 141 mini round brush. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use my Morphe M501 to do my highlighter. And to highlight, I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills M-Razy highlighter. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the Jeffree Star and Morphe Set and Refresh Mist in the Starberry scent. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray some on my sponge here to go ahead and work in my highlighter. Now I will go ahead and spray it all over my face. And using just a little bit what's left on my brush, I'm going to go ahead and go back in for that extra wet shine. Next I will be going in with the Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Mars. Here is the completed look from today's video. Thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. If you liked today's video, go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.